My name is Brigitte Sundermann, and I'm the Vice President for Technical Education and Workforce Development. The coolest part about this job is really connecting students to their dreams, to their jobs. And that's a simple way to put it, but when you see someone realize a dream or even begin to dream, maybe they couldn't do that before, then you're doing the right thing. The best part about my job is everything. Sorry.
My name's Robbi Grimm. I'm a technical instructor of mechatronics here at CMU Tech. So when people ask me about mechatronics, I like to give a very quick answer that it's all about making things move in smart ways. I always tell students if they like working hands-on, if they like taking things apart and figuring out how they work, mechatronics is a great career to go into. One of our key learning tools is the mechatronics learning system. So the mechatronics learning system has different systems that all integrate with each other. So they learn about the wiring piece, they learn how everything's connected electronically, they learn about the programming, the PLCs, and they learn about all the moving parts on there, all the sensors, all of the hydraulics, pneumatics. It's a good system for teaching all those skills because I can go in and specifically set up certain areas that work and don't work and have them do all the troubleshooting with the same kind of equipment that they would see at a local manufacturing plant. There's so many little things that need to be adjusted. You can just totally take it out of alignment and they have to get it back to where it's actually working. So one of the unique things about our program here is that we can teach all the classes in our lab, but we can also teach all of our mechatronics classes right out of the mobile learning lab. So we have basically a semi, it's a 53-foot trailer that we can pull to wherever we need to and bring the classroom and the lab straight to the students.
So the Stern family had reached out and they worked with us to do a manufacturing lab in Montrose. And that was a success. And they came back and said, Brigitte, what would you like to do next? And so the mobile learning lab was the next big idea. We worked with Joe at XCal to equip the entire mobile learning lab. XCal really helped with not just which equipment we should use in that confined area, but also they came and worked with us in that lab space to help us understand what works best and how to fasten it down. They've just been there through every step of the process. When you have a 5th or 6th grader that just lights up because you've brought a mobile learning lab to their school, and they're just excited. I had kids hugging me that had never met me before because it was the coolest thing ever. When you have 8th and 9th and 10th graders that are coming in to the school an hour or two ahead of their summer camp just so they can perfect their robot, it's amazing.
Contact XCal and Tech Labs today for more information about Amatrol Mechatronics training systems or other training tools for your school.